Welcome to Game 3 of the Stanley Cup Final.
The noise in this arena is incredible, Jim. That's the way the players like it.
Then we should have a great game between the Vancouver Canucks and the Carolina Hurricanes. That's icing. This man's got tremendous concentration.
And he uses it well on the draws. Just watch the way his team lines up. They know he's going to win it.
Williams, road check, shoots quickly. And out they come with a puck. Quick pass up. Pettersson gets rubbed off the puck. Justin Williams has it now. Fogle. He jumps on it. Net shots. For the wrist shot. Tanev gets the pass from Doming. Played up. Virtanen knocks the puck loose. McGinn moved up. Vandenberg jumps on the loose puck. Roussel, Svechnikov shoulders him. Virtanen finds the loose puck. Martinuk into the attacking zone. Svechnikov gets muscled off the puck. Scooped up by Vancouver. Delayed penalty call coming up for Carolina. Svechnikov is going off for holding.
No question we're looking at holding. And I've got to say, I like the officiating in this game. They're letting the players play, but they're keeping it clean.
Number 37, Andre Svechnikov. 2 minutes for holding.
Korva, wrist shot. He's with the puck. Korva gets checked.
He picked him right off the play.
Pesci with the puck. Fogle. Meyers takes over. Meyers backhands it. Check.
He bumps him off the play.
Jordan Staal grabs the puck. The Hurricanes dump it.
Change it up, change it up!
And they get called for icing. Aho won the faceoff with a wrist shot. Doming, great save.
Time for a little on-ice conference with his defenseman.
Doming hangs on for the whistle. Aho jumps on the loose puck. Tervainen moved it. Leg saved by Doming.
Denies the shooter.
Wrist shot blocked. Slavin with the puck. The Hurricanes dump it in. Vancouver picks it up. Brings it out. Moved ahead. Backhands it. Reimer gets the blocker on it.
He's right there with a great save.
Pettersson takes control of the puck. Svechnikov steps back onto the ice, meaning we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Intercepted in front. Vancouver puts its checking line out. Working along the perimeter, out of their defensive end. Passed ahead. Over the blue line. Move back. One-timer. Rule check. Gets in the way. Reimer hangs on for the whistle. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Tervainen jumps on the loose puck. Out over the blue line. Tervainen, quick shot from the left. Doming gets a leg on it. Quick pass up. Into the attacking zone. Sutter gets bumped off the puck. Vancouver gobbles it up. Tervainen ahead to the neutral zone. For the wrist shot. And out they come with a puck. Moved ahead. Delayed call coming up. Hughes, backhanded shot. There's a penalty coming up. Shea has been nailed for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Carolina will need to work the clock and just get through this.
No, not necessarily, Jim. They've been known to score shorthanded. They may try to go on the attack.
In over the line. Hughes, quick shot. Provorov stops the shot. Hughes with the puck.
Guys, make the change.
Delayed penalty coming up for Vancouver. Hughes will go to the box for interference.
Now that's something you just hate to see, because of the way it stops players from showcasing their skills.
Both sides are now playing with 4 players. That'll make some interesting matchups.
Playing 4-on-4, look for the defense to jump in the play.
Up along the boards. Penn gets crushed. He takes control of the puck. Tanev takes it. That's offside. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Vancouver. Across, out over the blue line. Shea comes out of the box as his penalty expires, meaning his team's now on the power play. Doming denied him. In all alone. Besser shoots the puck. Shea shoves Miller. Shoots. Glove save by Doming. Doming hangs on for the whistle. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Hurricanes. Hughes is back on the ice, meaning we're back to 5-a-side hockey. Gardiner takes control of the puck. Rocek gets checked. Sutter gets the loose puck. He's away! Passed ahead. Hughes, Tanev. Moved up.
Line 2.
Moved ahead. Dezingle jumps on the loose puck. And they get called for icing. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Jordan Stahl is usually on the winning side of a faceoff.
That's one area of his game that he's really honed in practice. And it gets great.
Fairland scores!
A goalie needs to quickly read the shooter and react. If he waits too long or hesitates, he'll be fishing the puck out of the back of the net. He went to the backhand on that shot and fooled the netminder completely. That's one sweet goal.
Svechnikov gets checked. He grabs the puck. Breakaway! Goes backhand! Scores! The backhand is a lost art form, but he found it on that shot. Nice goal indeed. The first period's not been kind to this squad.
No, so far they haven't been able to find a rhythm. You can see the results.
Williams gets hold of the puck. Pettersson. Williams grabs it. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Over the line.
Play in the
Pesci gets the loose puck. Fogel. Doming. Great save.
He gets the pad in the way and makes the stop.
Moved up.
The first period is over and now comes a critical time in the game. The first intermission. This is when coaches adjust their strategies and get their players to correct any first period mistakes.
Hello and welcome back to the game.
The first period was one-sided. Let's hope we see a better effort the rest of the way.
Martinov gets checked. He jumps on the loose puck. Netchas wipes out Pearson. Netchas takes control of the puck. Martinov shoots. He scores!
From the backhand to the back of the net in one smooth motion. The goalie had no chance on that shot.
Early in the second, they're now within one.
They had to battle for a while there, but now they're coming on strong.
Vancouver dumps the puck in.
Martinov, assisted by number 23.
Svechnikov. Vancouver got it. Slavin fired it. Doming hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Rocek wins the draw. Played up. Centered. Offside, Carolina. The puck is about to be dropped. Slavin scoops up the loose puck. Toffoli. Fairland corrals it into the attacking zone. Ben gets hold of the puck. Svechnikov, doming, blocker save, advances the puck. Teravainen fires behind his net. Fairland finds the loose puck. Mayers picked up by Vancouver. Tanev gets in the way. Teravainen grabs the puck. Tanev. This shot, leg save by Reimer.
Jim, it's all about position.
And he was Tanev scores! Wow, what a wrister he uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
And that will push them a little further down in the hole.
Now, they need a goal before the break. That'll put them within one and give them the...
Williams scores!
Good wrist shot is hard to stop. And that was a good wrist shot.
Their lead has been cut to 1 goal.
And that's good for the fans. Close games are always a lot more exciting.
Moved ahead.
Williams, assisted by number 13.
Besser one-times it. Blocked. He's ripped the puck. One-times it. Stoned by Reimer.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Shea skewers Besser. Aho jumps on the loose puck. Besser checks him. Protophop gets the pass from Doming. Moved up. Mayers. Quick pass up. Trocheck pushes Miller. Trocheck is in all alone. Shoots it. Turned to scores. He got behind the defense with the puck and put it past the netminder nicely.
Toughest spot for a goalie is one-on-one. He lost that challenge.
Carolina ties it up with half a game left to play.
Now's the time to start pushing for the lead.
Vandenberg with the puck. Stasher took it. Virtanen with it now. Over the blue line. Brings it in. Delayed penalty call for Carolina. Netchask stops the shot. He gets called for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
The action's about to start. Protophop won the faceoff. Miller scores on the power play.
They've got him down, and they're not letting up, Jim. They used the manpower advantage to net that last goal. Nicely done indeed. They're up 1 and looking to add another.
And with the way they've been playing in this period, that's a distinct possibility.
Miller, assisted by
Svechnikov gets pushed off the puck. Teravainen gets a hold of it with a wrist shot. Pettersson. Teravainen gives him the business. Tanev gets the loose puck.
Line 3.
Toffoli gets pushed. Jordan Stahl takes possession of the puck. Shoots quickly. Reimer makes the pad save. Passed ahead. Justin Williams. Williams fires it.
Line 4.
Out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Fires it hard. Reimer denies him. Martinuk now has the puck. McGean shoots. Shea corrals it. Martinuk backhanded. Hughes gets the pass from Doming. Brings it out. Beagle grabs the puck. Carolina scooped it up. Delayed penalty coming up. Sutter grabs the puck. Beagle is going to the box for holding.
He wrapped up the other player, and the ref saw it. That's going to mean some time in the box.
Good call, and play will now continue. Carolina could make some noise now.
Playing on the power play gives them a few more options. Look for them to play very aggressive.
Svechnikov across. Rips the shot. Blocked. Svechnikov. Teravainen scores. That's a power play goal.
He stepped into that shot big time and put it past the goal.
The one-timer is hockey's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Vancouver lets one in, and it's a tie game.
This late in the period, the rough ice can really affect puck movement.
Niederreiter. He gets hold of the puck. Blocked. Pass back. Quick pass up. Aho gets the loose puck. Dzingel. Vancouver now with it. Toffoli shoots. Pesci picked it up. Fairland shoots it quickly. He picked it up. Toffoli gets it. Then Fairland gets hit.
This doesn't look good.
Reimer hangs on for the whistle. The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Beagle jumps on the loose puck. Delayed call. Gets the shot off. Tanev with the puck.
Air pollution increases every year by 10%. Do your part for the environment and take public transit to and from the game.
All right, we're ready to start the final period.
Look for both teams to try to establish control early.
Moved across, moved ahead. Working along the perimeter, Pettersson shoots quickly. Slavin gets in the way. Reimer hangs on for the whistle. Pettersson shoots hard.
Well, finesse isn't his strong suit, but that quick release and pure power translates into a lot of goals.
Hughes takes control of the puck. Out over the blue line. Over the blue line. Hughes scoops up the loose puck. Brings it in. Miller finds the loose puck. The puck. Doming stabs at it. Miller with the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Passed ahead. This shot. Torva scores on the power play.
The power play was working that time. What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
Vancouver wants to put this one away early.
Judging by that goal, this will be a great final period.
53, Bob Horvath.
Ottanen takes control of the puck.
Becker. And by number 9, JT Miller.
Pesci, Carolina takes it. Great save!
He is all about getting the job done.
Doming hangs on for the whistle. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Stahl wins the draw. Doming stoned him cold. Played back. Doming gets a leg on it.
He used the pads to make the save.
Move back. The Canucks come in offside. Carolina has won most of the draws so far.
And that's had a big impact on their play. We've seen it again and again in this game.
Fogle knocks him off the puck. Vancouver takes control. Beagle, Meyers gets shoved. He takes control of the puck. Vatanen. Justin Williams gets pushed.
That taught him a lesson.
Trocheck gets the loose puck. He dumps it. Grabbed by Carolina. Besser, Carolina, scooped it up. Svechnikov shoves Miller. Besser grabs the puck. Hughes.
Line 3, get out there.
Doming. Vancouver gets it. Meyers. Svechnikov takes possession. Jordan Stahl. The Hurricanes dump it. Vancouver has it now. Shea picks up, scores on a great individual effort.
Let go of the wrist shot, and it paid off handsomely with that goal.
That's right. You don't always have to wind up with a big slapper to get it past the keeper. Midway through the third, and it's anyone's game.
Now, if someone's going to play the hero, they better do it fast.
Aho takes control of the puck. Doming stones him. Pettersson brings it out. Pettersson with a one-timer. Aho. Pettersson gets hold of the puck. Trocheck. Justin Williams shoots it hard. Sutter Vandenberg scoops it up. Vancouver puts its scoring line out. They dump the puck in. Carolina finds it. Williams. Mears touches up for icing. Vancouver hasn't had much luck when it comes to winning faceoffs.
You want to be able to win at least 50% of the time.
Out over the blue line. Played up. Teravainen. Tanev hammers him. Slavin scoops up the loose puck.
Line four.
Brings it out. Moved ahead. Advances the puck. Moved up. Netshots takes possession of the puck. Mears shoulders him. Netshots gets hold of the puck. With a wrist shot blocked. Mears takes control of the puck. Brings it in. Montanen shoots the puck. Vancouver with it now. Vandenberg. Trocheck steals the pass. The ref indicates a delayed call. Miller will serve time for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
About to drop the puck.
Vancouver penalty to number 9.
Sutter knocks the puck loose. Vancouver gobbles it up. Hughes. Carolina beats out the icing call. Niederreiter stands up. Sutter across. Quick pass up. Over the blue line. Gaudette. Slavin with the puck. Brings it out. Played up.
Change up.
Dezingle. Stecher. Slavin jumps on the loose puck. Svechnikov. Blocked. Advances the puck. Stecher gets the loose puck. The Canucks cleared it down the ice. Carolina grabbed it. Svechnikov. Carolina takes control. Out over the blue line. Moved ahead. Wrist shot. Leg saved by Doming.
Nice work to get in front.
Passed ahead. Delayed call coming up. Dezingle will get the gate for hooking. With 4 players on either side, this game should open up.
I'll look for some longer passes and more odd man rushes. The tempo of this game could really pick up.
Miller has left the box, meaning his team will enjoy a 5-on-4 power play here. Miller finds the loose puck. Montanen gets checked. Miller takes control of the puck.
Change up. Top in a change.
Miller nails Trocheck. Miller jumps on the loose puck. Toffoli has it. Fired it hard. Miller picks it off. Jordan Stahl. The score is tied, and time is starting to become a factor.
At this stage, both teams are going to start playing more conservatively. Now they'll wait for overtime to make a move.
With a wrist shot. Pesci with the puck. Fogle. Pesci gets a hold of it. Out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Reimer turns him away. Ahead to the neutral zone. That's offside. Carolina has had a firm grip on the faceoffs.
When you control the faceoffs, you control the first few seconds of action. That can make a big difference.
Minute of play in the 3rd period.
Dezingle leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. Teravainen takes control of the puck. Toffoli. Vancouver got it. Over the blue line. Reimer intercepts the puck. Slavin picks it up. Into the attacking zone. Moved ahead. Goes to the backhand. Teravainen jumps on the loose puck. Doming stacks him up. Aho. Fairland with the puck. Dezingle picks it off. Backhand shot from the left. Aho gets in the way. Quick pass up. Pass back. Shoots it. Reimer stoned him. Pettersson shoots quickly. Reimer made the pad save. Shoots it quickly. Reimer turns him away.
What a save off the blocker.
To vote on what's happening without email address. Members receive daily updates, special offers, player features, and more.
Welcome back to the first overtime period.
This game could end at any moment, so puck possession will be critical.
Pesci gets hold of the puck. Justin Williams now with it. Delayed penalty coming up. Miller is going off for hooking. Vancouver will need to start controlling a few faceoffs.
Well, so far it hasn't been their strength.
Wrist shot. Sutter stops the shot. Slavin cranks one. Teravainen gets in the way. Backhand from the left. Svechnikov scores.
Tonight's third star, Carolina number 86, Tito Teravainen. Tonight's second star for Carolina, number 37, Andrei Svechnikov.
From Raleigh, North Carolina, I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. For EA Sports, goodbye.
See you next time.